Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters in Islam. Whenever you are and whatever you are doing, I hope my recitation will be as beneficial as you expect from Noor Media. And I wish everyone is subscribing and sharing these videos to as many people as they can. Today we are going to go through the practical branch of Tilawa and Tajweed of Surah Al-Qadr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in this surah a lot of things about Shahr Ramadan and that Layla of Al-Qadr, that it's better than 1000 year. 1000 months, I'm sorry. And today I want you to listen, look at my mouth, and then you repeat. Allah Azza wa Jalla is saying, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر. Again, whenever you have that mad, you have to be careful. So you give it 4 harakats or 6 harakats. So we don't say إنا أنزلناه, but we say إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر. And again, look at the ra sound. So we say al-qadr with sukun, al-qadr. But if you want to connect it to the other verse, you can say إِنَّا أَنزَلْنَاهُ فِي لَيْلَةِ الْقَدْرِ وَمَا. So you make it with kasr. But it's better to read it ayah by ayah. Again, إِنَّا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر وما أدراك. So it's not dad, it's dal. Again, be careful of the mad on the word ma. So we say وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر. If you look at the noon in the word min, you will find it sakina with sukun. And as we mentioned in Surah An-Nas, that if we get the noon with sukun, then you have to make it clear. So we don't say min like ghunna from your nose, but you make it free of air. So you say min alfi shahr. So don't make ghunna, make it with clarity, which is izhar. ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة. So if you look at the alif of الملائكة, you will find it with mad. So you say تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر. Again, dear brothers and sisters, be careful when it comes to the mad, I mean the long vowel, and be careful when it comes to the noon, which is sakina, or the empty noon with no fath, no kasr, no dam, no sukun, and no shad. So again, we say ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر من كل أمر. So be careful of the ra when it comes at the end of the word and you want to stop to take your breath. So we say أمر أمر. So تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. مطلع. So be careful of the ta, don't change it into ta, because there is a big difference between ta, which is simple and whispering, it's one of the plosive letters, and ta, which makes the mouth full of air. So we say سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. Now it's your turn, and your task is to look at me, listen to me carefully, and repeat. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر. وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر. ليلة القدر خير من 1000 شهر. تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر. سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر. صدق الله العظيم وبلغ رسوله الكريم ونحن على ذلك لمن الشاهدين. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from me and from you. Please share it with people as much as you can. Share it with people as soon as possible. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.